Guys, good morning. I'm a Master Chicken Poultry Farmer supporters. Keep watching the videos, support this channel. Guys, we are on the way to get 500 subscriber. Let's get 500 subscriber. Keep supporting, guys. Keep supporting. Keep watching my videos to the end. Check out my live stream because I got some information for showing inside the live stream, guys. My friend left to go to China to do art surgeon, be art surgeon, as as a person who deal with heart. So he left his channel. Yes, he left his channel for Iran. His channel Master Chicks Poultry Farm. Guys, check it out. I'll be watching. I want you guys to keep supporting the channel. I'll be making the videos I'll be filming two different set of videos for both channels. I left in charge with the channel. Yes, he give me that channel, and he can continue supporting me with the chicken business together. Yes, he can be. He's a doctor and art surgeon. Yes, he gonna study in China for and do study there. But he tell me to run the channel. He left the channel with me to deal with the channel. He said keep support. Make sure you let the subscriber them know. So I let you guys know that I'm gonna be running Master Chicks Poultry Farm now. Is my channel now, guys. A lot of you guys gonna say wow, but I gonna make a live stream and you guys gotta listen. And guys, continue like and subscribe. Keep watching the video to the end. Yes, guys, watch the video to the end. Bird drinking water and eating feed. The bird are 7 weeks, 1 day old today. 7 week, 1 day old. And they're doing great. Keep supporting, guys. Keep supporting this channel. I want to get 500 subscribers by this week. 500 subscribers by this week. Because one of my videos is make like sometimes 1,000 something, 2,000, 3,000 in the short videos. So YouTube could start paying me. And I want to wish my friend good luck on his success. Yes, so my friend gonna be an art surgeon and leave his channel to Iran. I can do great for his channel. I can support his channel. When he gives me the channel, I say, wow, now I have plenty channel to run, guys. Because I have two other channel, guys. I want you guys to support my two other channel. You're watching this chicken video. I have a wildlife channel, guys. In name Nice Wildlife GP Farm. Nice Wildlife GP Farm. There's a very wild things I'll be showing on that channel. And my other channel name, Master G Funny Video. That's posting contents for William videos, William Last Game. And I try to make it as my own videos. So Master G Funny Video, that's my channel. And I got a cat channel. I recently started a cat channel. So guys, support the cat channel too. CM Cat channel. CM Cat Video 23. That's the channel name. Yes, CM Cat Video 23. Guys, support the cat channel. If you love cats, you could support. You don't get enough subscriber, 69 subscriber. Yes, that channel name recently changed over. I had a channel before, but I recently changed that name over and make it strictly a cat channel. So guys, keep supporting. Go and subscribe to those 3 other channels. And now I have 5 channels for run, guys. 5 channel. I get 4 of my own channel, and now I get my friend channel to run. So I'll be taking up a lot of space. In all, guys, support. When I make my live stream later, guys, I want you guys to join the live stream and watch it and support all those channels. I'm gonna put them inside the pin, so you guys support now. From now on, support those channels. All my master chicken poultry farm. I love you guys. Keep supporting this channel. Watch the video to the end. Are we gonna grow this business together? Are you gonna see the first egg? Guys, the hatchery make a mistake and give me 1 rooster inside the mix, guys. Then don't give you roosters, then it's only give you hen, but sometimes it happen that roosters come by mistake. And I got 1 rooster, there's the white leg 1 rooster. But I'm glad for him though, because I could be